Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Friday the 3rd of January 2020, and yesterday we produced a video entitled Gold and Silver Start 2020 Higher, where we pointed out that at the time of publication, which was 1830 GMT, gold stood at 1525 and silver at 1799. Both of them had been higher earlier in the day, with gold having reached 1530 and silver 1808. We then added the following words, quote, "Now it is important to bear in mind that despite these rises, the markets are still quite tight as volume is relatively low, but do watch out for gold. All of the pumpers are promising us silver fortunes, but at the moment, our interest is in gold, at least for the next week or so." Now, we do not wish to add much more right now, as volumes are still somewhat slim, and price movements exaggerated a little, but frankly, gold is the colour we are looking at right now, and truly cannot see more than a $70 downside, but a potential $175 upside over the coming months, unquote. Well, at the time of this podcast, which is 1600 hours GMT, gold has risen some $23 since our last podcast and is standing at 1548, and silver is up just 11 cents at 1810. Now, we are aware, of course, that the infraction in the Middle East has contributed to gold's rise, including the demise of Qasem Soleimani. But that said, gold has moved to exactly where we suspected it would, but perhaps a few days faster than envisaged. Tensions will now be rife in this part of the world, and once again gold will be the beneficiary. So watch this space, and we will say more in tomorrow's Gold and Silver Weekly Update. The dollar is still holding firm at 96.8, but stocks have fallen a little, with the Dow down 211 points at 28,657. And most other bourses and markets are also down anything from up to 1%. Now, much depends on the reactions to the strikes and if there is any retaliation, but for now, gold is sitting in a very sweet spot and may indeed prove beneficial to those who are trading this precious metal. This situation could run out of hand, which would prove very beneficial for gold. But we're not predicting that at present, but do not be surprised to see gold move next to 1575 and possibly attempt that $1,600 level. It's still a tight market though, but some of the landmarks are in place for a further short-term rally. Let's wait and see, and as always, we will advise as events occur. In sterling terms, gold is up over 2%. at £1,184, and silver is up 1.5% at £13.86. So this is less of a currency play, but more of an actual, legitimate rise in prices. Thank you for listening, and please, if you haven't already done so, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell sign so that you're notified of videos as and when they are published. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.